Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to install new smoke detector or smoke detector and carbon monoxide combo that is battery powered. So you do not need any wired connection there. Just choose a location. For example, I will just mark it here. I will put an X and that's my final location. So there are two parts in smoke detector and carbon monoxide combo as well. So one is the original unit that detects the smoke or carbon monoxide, and then there is a wall plate. So what you need to do is just put your wall plate where you need your smoke detector or carbon monoxide to go, and then just mark it with a pencil. So there's a screw hole, just mark it with a pencil or a marker, and then install two drywall anchors and just screw them in. Once your drywall anchors are in, just place the wall plate and double check if it's at a correct place. If yes, then just screw this in. Once the wall plate is screwed in and secured, then you can lock in the smoke detector or your carbon monoxide and smoke detector combo, because they are designed in a very similar way. You just go onto the wall and just turn it and lock. So now it's properly secured. Then just do a test by just pressing it for 2 seconds. And once it's properly set, then you're good to go. And you can do the multiple installation all around your house. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. I post video every week related to house maintenance and common house issues. Thank you.